Welcome to the Yorkshire Magician. Today's trick is we're going to saw my beautiful assistant Jazzy B in 2 pieces. So if you're ready and if you're not squeamish, enjoy this trick. Right, would you like to get in the box? In the box. Let me know when you're in and you're comfortable. Poke your feet out of the box. Pop your head out. That's it. Right. You ticklish? You ticklish? Right, this is his magic sword. Let's start to saw into and see if this works. Right, here we go. Let me know if you can feel anything and I will stop. Right, here we go. Oh, get that last little bit there. Right, here we go. Can you still wiggle your toes? Yeah. Yeah, right, you're in 2 pieces. Let me show everybody that you're 2 pieces. See, can you wave to the camera? Just let them know you're alright. Right, okay, shall we join you back together? Are you alright like that? We'll put it back together, we don't want double the trouble. Right. Let's make sure she's joined in a straight line. Right, I'm going to use the magic sword again. I'm going to put it upside down. Use the blunt side, which should all be well joined together, and we'll see. Right, okay? Right, that's a little bit easier. There we go, can you still wiggle your toes? Ah, good, can you still feel when I tickle? Yeah. Right, do you want to get out of the box? Go and get out. Right, thanks for watching the Yorkshire Magician. Today I've been John your Magician and I've been ably assisted by Jazzy B and the other assistants behind the scenes is Cherry B. Thanks for watching and see you next time.